Hello, I'm in a 2015 Range Rover Evoque, and today I'm going to show you how to lower your rear bucket seats here. So from here, on either side you should see a button like this to push. Without it pushed, these are pretty secure in place, but from this corner as well as the opposite corner, you'll just push and pull, and that should lower it. And then the identical process on the opposite side to lower the other part, and that would then allow you access to this rear, or say you're putting something bigger in here, now you got basically a bigger trunk if you lower both sides. But that's it, and then when you're done, just lift it back up. But yeah, up in here's, well, this part here is where it connects onto this. It keeps it secure. But hope that's helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.